Aloha from Seattle, author and coach Lucky. Stoked to be here in Seattle. I love it here. I've totally been enjoying my time, met with some old friends, met some new friends, and I'm really excited to kick off my 7-week book tour right here in the Emerald City. I am starting off with 2 awesome events, and I hope you can come to one or both of them. The first one is tomorrow, which is Saturday, June 9th at East West Bookshop in Seattle. I'm offering a How to Quiet Your Mind Chatter talk and workshop from 7 to 8:30 p.m. You can go to eastwestbookshop.com or call the store to register for that. Love to see you there. My other event that I'm doing soon is on Monday, June 11th at 6 p.m. It's free. I'm offering a 30-minute How to Quiet Your Mind Chatter talk in Kirk Park on 9th Avenue Northwest. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I just Googled it and picked a park, and I'm really excited to be there and to offer this to the community. Today's tip on how to stay present, because as members of our Pinky Toes Club, we are working on staying in the present moment. My suggestion is self-care, because if we are in the present moment and we're experiencing pain or discomfort, or we generally feel like junk because we have not been treating ourselves very well, that's not a good situation. So what I suggest is eat vegetables, eat fresh fruit, exercise, and get enough sleep. Since I stepped off the plane on Monday, I have been very busy taking care of myself. That's been my priority. Yes, I have many wonderful ideas of how to continue preparing for my book tour and get everything ready and plan more events. However, I have been making myself a priority. I've stopped at my favorite store, Trader Joe's, and I hope to go to a farmer's market this weekend and pick out all kinds of fresh fruits and veggies and lean meats and whole grain. I love rice. And I've been taking time to prepare food for myself, because yes, we are spiritual creatures, but we live in physical bodies, so we need to really make that a priority. Also, I have been exercising. I've been practicing my yoga every day. I've been going for beautiful walks. I love Wallingford. I've been staying in this beautiful home here in Wallingford, and there's nothing I enjoy more than walking around the neighborhood, which is full of gardeners. Oh my goodness, the flowers here are in bloom, and the dogwood trees, the roses, so beautiful. So I've definitely been taking advantage of that. However, rain has been moving in. I went for a really pretty walk this morning, but the forecast is for a little bit of rain in the next few days. So I brought my umbrella, I brought my rain jacket, and I'm going to continue with my exercising regardless of outside circumstances. Also important, getting enough sleep. I was pretty sleep deprived before I got on the plane, so since I've been here, I've been blessed with a little bit extra time to catch up on my sleep. Sleep is very restorative. It gives our bodies a chance to do that really important maintenance. During the night, we can rest, and all the wonderful busy bee cells in our body can do what they need to do to heal us and rejuvenate us so we feel better in the morning. Because we deserve a wonderful quality of life. And if we were running around tired all the time, running and gunning, that's okay short term, but overall, let's allow ourselves enough time to sleep. So that's my healing challenge for you this week, is self-care. I hope to see you at my event tomorrow, East West Bookshop, or Monday at 6 p.m. at Kirk Park. Aloha, ahui ho.